Hi guys, I'm back and today I'm going to make a strawberry matcha latte, and to do that I'm going to be using the DAVIDsTEA strawberry matcha. I think this might have been limited edition, but if you mind it, so good. So I'm just going to take maybe half a spoonful. I really just eyeball everything, so isn't that much to be good. I wanted to add in that you can use any matcha powder you want to with the same ingredients and measurements to make your own matcha latte. Mine just happened to be strawberry today. And then I go and I get hot water. I'll go for about there, which seems to be about a cup or two. Then using a milk frother, go in, mix it. Put it nice. And then to clean off the frother, have it running. To clean off the frother, you have it running above the fluids. And then I'm gonna go and use Almond Breeze almond milk creamer. I love the taste of almonds. What about this much? That is a lot of creamer. Maybe I put too much, but it's okay. Then I go in again with the mixer. Maybe at an angle, it'll froth it up a little bit. Make it nice and plump. So again, this is how you clean it. And let's see. That's really good. And that's how I make my matcha lattes. Hope you guys enjoyed my random mini video. Have a great day.